Hey, Globus, let's talk about some gate options and the best of two worlds. Let's dive in. This is our DIY universal gate system. We have our top frame here. This top frame is a U-channel and is very strong, very durable, and it goes into our vertical frame. There's a two-piece inside that reduces you from 1 inch to 3/4. Very thoughtful, very smart, and very engineered. So this is going to be for your smaller projects. You want to do it on your own. You're out of state. More limitation in regards to getting a hold on your HD system. We'll talk about that in a minute. This you'll be able to build it in a factory or outdoors, and it will do the job phenomenal for your semi-heavy project and semi-custom. Then we have our heavy duty, super strong HD USA with our engineering 45 degree hold by 316 gauge, beautiful system, and will outlast any gate on the market. It's better even from your welded gates, and I'll explain why. Usually welded gates are slim wall, you weld, the welds can break, and then your gate's on the floor. Here with our extrusion, it can't break. It's a two-piece extrusion, so it's not a hollow tube. That's what puts us apart. That's why our engineering of Al Globus, masterpiece in the industry. So if you're looking for a gate, you got to choose wisely and know you have two options. You have the DIY universal system. There's a lot of in the market. And then you have your HD in the system. Not much in the market or not at all. It depends on your state. And most of these gates are usually welded. We give you the option not welded. It's not a DIY friendly. You will have to do it in a factory or order it from us. Fully built. We can ship fully built up to Michigan, Utah, Arizona, even to San Francisco, San Jose, and we have our division in Florida that you can get the supply and the wholesale there. So one more point I want to talk about hinge point. The hinge point here, because it's not a hollow extrusion, your hinge screw catches multiple walls. In this configuration, it passes 4 walls, which is unbelievable, and the screw is very long, and that basically outperform any aluminum gate in the market. And you can tell. Kabam! I want to see you slam an aluminum gate like that, and we'll test it again and again and again and prove you that we're right. Since 2009, with the help of our sister company, we know from the field what works and what doesn't. That way we know what to offer when. That's the engineering, and that's the thoughtful and the knowledge of the experience from the field, giving you on the plate from A to Z exactly what you need. Al Globus.